people think sustainability goals are about planting trees or saving water. That's not true. Sustainability goals are about how leaders make decisions that affect people, planet, and the future. If you are a student, professional, or someone who wants to work in sustainability but feels confused, this video will give you absolute clarity. This video is beginners friendly and you not require prior experience. You don't need technical knowledge, you just need curiosity and responsibility. So let's get into the concept. What are sustainability goals? In simple words, sustainability goals are international targets we set so that today's development does not destroy tomorrow's life. They help answer three basic questions. What are we protecting? What are we improving? How do we ensure the future is safe? So, sustainability goals are not environmental goals alone, they are life goals for society. The three major pillars are environmental, which is related to planet. This is about protecting natural systems, air, water, land, climate. Example, clean water, less pollution, climate stability. Without this pillar, life itself is at risk. Second, social. This is about how humans live and work. Example, health, safety, education, equality, community well-being. A society cannot be sustainable if people suffer. Third is economic, prosperity. This is about growth, but responsible growth. Example, decent jobs, ethical businesses, long-term value. Money without responsibility destroys the future. Real sustainability exists only when all three works together. Sustainability goals at different levels. One big mistake beginners make is thinking sustainability goals exist only at the global level, but we observe it at each level: global, national, organizational, and individual levels. Global is United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and climate agreements, whereas national, country climate targets, environmental laws. Organizational, ESG goals, net zero targets, whereas individual, conscious choices, responsible behavior, leadership mindset. A sustainability leader connects all four levels. So let me give you simple beginner examples. Related to environment is something we are focusing on reducing energy usage, reducing waste. Whereas social, we focus on safe workplaces, inclusive policies. Economic, supporting sustainable businesses, avoiding overconsumption. These are not small actions, they are leadership choices. Let me clear some confusion beginners usually have. Sustainability is not charity. It's not optional, not only for environmentalists, and not about memorizing sustainable developmental goals. Sustainability is about decision making responsibility. If you are beginning your sustainability journey, start with clarity, not confusion. Understand the goals, understand the systems, then take action. So, for more such content, do follow me at Dr. PSB Insights. So, join our Telegram community, the link given in the description. Remember, sustainability is not about saving the planet, it is about deserving to live on it. Thank you.